Every time you swipe your credit card, tap your phone at a payment terminal, or order something online, a silent digital process begins. Powerful artificial intelligence systems immediately start scanning your behavior, your location, your device, and your past transactions. These algorithms operate so quietly and so fast that most people never even realize how deeply they influence their financial lives. Artificial intelligence has become the invisible brain of modern banking, controlling approvals, detecting fraud, and shaping your entire financial identity, often without your knowledge. But here is the surprising truth many people do not know. You are no longer fully in control. Your spending decisions, your credit approval, your transaction safety, and even your financial reputation are now analyzed and judged by complex AI systems. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because what you learn today could change the way you look at digital finance forever. 1. AI, the new brain of credit card networks. Modern credit card networks process millions of payments every minute, something that no human team could ever monitor in real time. Artificial intelligence has taken over the job of deciding what is safe, what looks suspicious, and what should be blocked. The moment you make a purchase, AI instantly studies your location, the merchant you are paying, the device you are using, the amount you are spending, and global fraud patterns happening that very second. All of these checks happen in less than the blink of an eye. This is why payments feel smooth and instant, because AI is constantly working behind the scenes. But this also gives algorithms enormous power. A single decision made by the system can control whether your money moves or stops. 2. How AI learns your spending personality. Your credit card does not just record transactions, it studies them. Artificial intelligence builds a detailed financial personality profile based on how, when, and where you spend money. It learns your shopping habits, your favorite stores, your travel routines, and even the times of day when you are usually active. If you prefer online shopping late at night or tend to spend more on weekends, the AI remembers these patterns. Over time, the system understands your lifestyle more accurately than your bank, and sometimes even more than you realize about yourself. This helps detect fraud faster, but it also means banks gain a deep and sometimes uncomfortable level of insight into your private life. 3. Real-time fraud detection, seeing danger before you do. Artificial intelligence is trained on millions of examples of fraudulent behavior. It knows what crime looks like long before you notice anything suspicious. When someone tries to use your card illegally, the AI sees unusual behavior instantly. Maybe a purchase from a country you have never visited, or a sudden expensive transaction that does not match your past habits. Within seconds, the system can block the card, send an alert, or freeze your account. This real-time protection saves billions of dollars every year and stops countless crimes. But even with all this power, criminals are constantly finding new ways to deceive these systems, exposing the weaknesses hidden inside the algorithms. 4. The secret scoring system banks never discuss. Most people understand credit scores, but they have no idea that banks use deeper, hidden AI scoring systems to evaluate risk. These secret scores influence your approvals, your limits, and even how fast your payments process. The system predicts how trustworthy you are based on thousands of signals, consistency in spending, reliability of your devices, the safety of places you shop, and patterns that seem normal for you. These scores are not shared with customers, and the criteria can change without warning. You are judged by an invisible digital system that you cannot see or question. 5. Behavioral biometrics, confirming your identity through your movements. Artificial intelligence can recognize whether you are really the one using your card simply by studying the way you behave. It analyzes how you type, how you swipe, how you hold your phone, how fast you walk, and the way your hands move across a screen. These tiny behaviors act like a digital fingerprint. If anything feels slightly different, the AI becomes suspicious. This technology is powerful and protects against stolen cards or impersonation, but it also means the system watches your natural movements all the time, even the ones you do not consciously notice. 6. AI loopholes, how criminals outsmart the system. As AI grows smarter, criminals evolve with it. They attempt to confuse the system using advanced technologies, creating fake identities with artificial intelligence, copying your spending habits through stolen data, or repeatedly stealing small amounts so the algorithm does not detect anything unusual. Some attackers even try to poison the data so the AI learns incorrect patterns. These tricks make it harder for banks to stay ahead, and they reveal that even the most advanced systems are not perfect. 7. How AI controls your credit limit decisions. Credit limits used to be decided by human managers, but now artificial intelligence handles nearly everything. The algorithm studies your income trends, your spending stability, your payment history, and even the economic conditions around you. It predicts how responsible you will be in the future and makes decisions based on those predictions. Sometimes your limit increases automatically, and sometimes it decreases with no explanation at all. These decisions can affect your ability to make purchases, travel, or handle emergencies, all based on calculations you never see. 8. Why AI declines transactions, even when you have money. Many people experience the frustration of having a transaction declined even though their card has enough balance. This usually happens because the AI thinks the situation is risky. If the merchant looks unusual, if the purchase is out of your normal range, or if you suddenly make multiple transactions within seconds, the system may block it. These protective measures can sometimes cause embarrassing or stressful moments, and they are becoming more common as AI grows more cautious. 9. The future, your financial identity created by algorithms. Your financial identity is no longer just your credit score or banking information. It is an AI-generated profile made from thousands of data points. Soon, artificial intelligence will predict your income, your spending habits, and even your financial risks. It might offer you personalized loans, adjust your interest rates, or prevent you from making high-risk purchases. The more AI grows, the more it will shape your financial life. The question is, who controls your future, you or the algorithm? 10. Can we truly trust AI with our money? Artificial intelligence is fast, powerful, and incredibly advanced, but it is not perfect. It can make mistakes, misunderstand behavior, or misjudge risk. It can be manipulated by criminals or limited by the data it learns from. The system that protects your money can also restrict it. And the balance between safety and freedom is becoming more delicate every year. Trusting AI requires awareness, understanding, and sometimes even caution. Every time you use your credit card, you give artificial intelligence more information, more influence, and more control. It acts as your protector, but it also acts as your judge. Understanding how these invisible systems work is the first step toward taking back control of your financial identity. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep technology documentary. Stay aware, stay informed, and stay in control of your digital life.